Now, I'll come back to you, Colonel Bhattacharya. Let me go to Difu, where our reporter Sarim Tiso is standing by. Sarim, very interesting election in Karbi Anglong, where the four-time CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, Tuliram Ronghang, is making his debut as far as the assembly elections are concerned. He's contesting the new constituency of Ronghang.
Well, absolutely, Vasbir. So right now I'm standing here at the Difu Government College, where the counting for three constituencies, Difu, Hauraghat and Bukajan. So these are the three constituencies where the counting will be held at this particular place. As you have been mentioning about Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, the four-time CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, who is making his debut in the MLA elections this year, and he is contesting from a newly constituency. Since you know, after the Assam delimitations, now Karbi Anglong has been now given 5 constituency seats, including Ronghang, Amri, Bokajan, Difu, and of course the Hauraghat. So these are the 5 constituencies now the Karbi Anglong has been given after delimitations of Assam. And now Tuliram Ronghang is, of course, he is making his debut in this MLA election, and he is contesting from Ronghang constituency. And of course, his opposition is from the India Alliances as a candidate, Augustine Inghi, who is also making his debut in this MLA election. And we have to wait and watch that who will win this, battle of electoral. But so far, the intensity here in Karbi Anglong is absolutely high. And